chapters I am going to teach. First, there will be a theory chapter, revenue, capital and revenue. This is a theory chapter, लेकिन chapter which will give you full marks, where मैं theory करूंगी, लिखवाऊंगी and छोटे छोटे problems करूंगी. Everything will be written down by you in the separate exercise book. एक बुक चाहिए मुझे, हाफ मेरे लिए एंड हाफ दूसरी प्रोफेसर के लिए. You will divide the book in two parts. One half part will be for me and the other half for the other professor. I will give you notes, I will give you problems and we will all solve together. So let us see how we are going to study. 3 चैप्टर मैं करवाने वाली हूं. फर्स्ट, कैपिटल एंड रेवेन्यू. सेकंड, स्टॉक वैल्यूएशन और इन्वेंटरी वैल्यूएशन. सो फर्स्ट चैप्टर कंप्लीट थियरी है. सेकंड चैप्टर में सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम्स करने हैं एंड थर्ड चैप्टर हमारा सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, फाइनल अकाउंट्स, प्रॉब्लम्स. सो 3 टॉपिक्स वी विल स्टडी इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सेमेस्टर. आई विल टीच 3, मित्तल मिस विल टीच 3 टॉपिक्स. सो एक के बाद एक हम टॉपिक करेंगे. सो लेट अस बिगिन टुडे. एक मेरी अलग, वहां आप फर्स्ट पेज पे यू विल मेक द हेडिंग कैपिटल एंड रेवेन्यू. यू विल मेक द हेडिंग first topic which we start, capital and revenue. Now all this we will write down and keep it in the exercise book. हर बच्चा बैठ के लिखेगा, कोई भी टाइम पास नहीं करेगा. मुझे सबकी बुक में ये सब थियरी चाहिए. जैसे ही लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा, आई विल चेक एवरीवन्स बुक. मैं देखने वाली हूँ नोट्स, प्रॉब्लम्स, एवरीथिंग. सो जस्ट नाउ make this a separate book and we will all write down. Yes, very good. We will write down everything in this book. Now when you are starting, first page पे चाहिए मुझे ये capital and revenue. Okay, fine, fine. Now only if there is difficulty you will respond just now. अब किसी का कुछ भी आंसर मुझे अभी नहीं चाहिए. When I ask you, you will respond. So just now, let's start. Okay, everyone's total attention here. So now when I am starting this new chapter, what is this topic? Let us see. First, when we show trading and profit and loss account, वहां डेबिट साइड पे ऑलवेज एक्सपेंसेस दिखाते हैं एंड क्रेडिट साइड पे इनकम्स दिखाते हैं. सो आपने ये 2 वर्ड सुने हैं, एक्सपेंसेस, इनकम्स. नाउ व्हेन वी हैव एक्सपेंसेस, they are divided in 2 parts, capital expense and revenue expense. वैसे ही income is divided in 2 parts, capital income, revenue income. So today we will study this particular chapter where I will be teaching you कौन से एक्सपेंस कैपिटल एक्सपेंस है, कौन से रेवेन्यू, कौन सी इनकम कैपिटल इनकम है एंड कौन सी रेवेन्यू. हमें ये पता होना चाहिए. इफ वी मेक अ मिस्टेक, वी आर नॉट करेक्ट, वी आर नॉट गुड अकाउंटेंट्स. वी हैव टू No, 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 no. I will give you notes afterwards. Don't write anything. When I tell you, okay, start writing, तभी लिखना है. This is just explanation. कोई भी बच्चा लिखेगा नहीं. Only explanation दे रही हूँ. I will dictate full notes afterwards. Yes, okay, fine, fine, very good, very good. Now, okay, fine. So now, when we are talking about expense, there are capital expense, revenue expense. Now, first we will understand full expense part. उसके बाद मैं इनकम पे आऊंगी. तो let us concentrate on expenses. So today first I will define the word expense. What is expense? Expense का मतलब खर्चा. कोई भी खर्चा किया है, I say it is expense. Then let me talk about a proper definition. Expense means outflow of funds. Outflow of funds for business purpose. Business के लिए कोई भी खर्चा किया, that is called expense. So whenever there is outflow of funds for business, it is known as expense. This expense can be capital expense, this expense can be revenue expense. Okay, now capital expense means what? Whenever expenses are incurred for buying assets, purchasing assets, it is capital expenditure. So, whenever there is a big expense and asset is coming in, that is a capital expenditure. So, capital expenditure may, first point which I will say is purchase of asset. If any, हाँ, what is it? सुनाई नहीं देता, दिखाई नहीं देता. Is there any problem? देख लो ठीक से. Okay? Is it okay? हाँ. Okay, fine. Okay. Great. Okay, fine. So, just now, ध्यान से सिर्फ सुनना है. If you can listen and थोड़ा ये अच्छे से देख लो. Okay, क्रिश को दिख रहा है. Fine. Okay, so now pay attention. Pay attention. Whenever a big expense is incurred for buying an asset, it is a capital expenditure. Capital expenditure means expenditure incurred for purchase of asset. Second point, any expense which is incurred occasionally, once in a way, not regularly, it is capital expenditure. So, non-recurring in nature. What is the meaning? Capital expense are expense which are not incurred again and again. Not incurred again and again. They are non-recurring. कभी कभी spend करते हैं. That is a capital expenditure. 3. Point number 3. Whenever any expense is incurred for an asset or for increasing the I think now you can hear. I think now you can hear. Okay, fine, fine. सॉरी कॉलेज में ये कनेक्टिविटी का इश्यू है. एवरीवन पे अटेंशन. मैं कॉलेज में बैठी हूं. देयर इज सम कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉब्लम. ये थोड़े थोड़े टाइम में दिस कनेक्शन लूज. यस ओके फाइन फाइन. The connectivity is lost, so therefore you know this issue is there. Now okay, now let's continue. Now you will be able to hear. Okay, I'll explain again. Okay Nelson, I'll explain again. Okay fine. Now I know you could not hear. Now you will be able to hear. See, I am trying to tell you, मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि कैपिटल एक्सपेंस है कि रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंस है. तो आई एम गिविंग यू कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ कैपिटल एक्सपेंस. कौन से एक्सपेंस कैपिटल एक्सपेंस है? व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ कैपिटल एक्सपेंस? आई वांट टू नो which are the capital expense. Okay, machinery purchased 5 lakhs. That is a capital expense because asset is purchased. So whenever an asset is purchased, it is a capital expenditure. Second point, this expense is not incurred again and again. It is once in a way type of expense. So capital expense is a non-recurring expense. Is a non-recurring expense. It is not incurred again and again. Point number 3. It is incurred in connection and for an asset. So then it is a capital expenditure. Let us say, I purchased land purchased 10 lakhs. Registration of land cost 1 lakh. ये जो registration किया land का, इसका भी cost capital expenditure है. So then ये क्या करना है? Any expense incurred for an asset is also a capital expenditure. So there are 3 points which I should remember capital expenditure. Point number 4, capital expense is always shown on the asset side of balance sheet. This is important. Everyone will remember this. This expense is always shown on the asset side of balance sheet. 4. Point number 4. Shown on asset side of balance sheet. So that is the characteristic of capital expense. Okay, fine. Now start writing. I am dictating. Everyone will begin now. Whatever we have understood properly in notes form I am giving. Everyone will start. Make the heading. Chapter's name is capital and revenue. Come on. Begin with me. Everyone is starting. Expenses and incomes are divided in 2 groups. A, capital. B, revenue. Next heading, expenses. Next paragraph start, expenses. Okay, I'm repeating again. Expenses and incomes are divided in 2 groups. A capital, B revenue. Change the paragraph. Make the heading expenses. Start. थोड़ा सा फास्ट लिखना है. Start. All outflow of funds. Outflow of funds for a business are called expenses. Full stop. These expenses are divided into A capital expense, B revenue expense. It is very important that the expenses are classified correctly. Full stop. Next heading, everyone will make capital expenses. Following are the characteristics. Following are the characteristics of capital expenses. One, purchase of assets like machinery, furniture, building, is a capital expenditure. Second, point number 2. If the expense incurred gives long-term benefit, gives long-term benefit, it is called capital expenditure. Three, this is non-recurring in nature. This is non-recurring in nature. This expense is incurred for an asset, comma, in connection with the asset, may increase the life of the asset. May increase the life of the asset. Fifth point. Point number 5. Fourth point is big, lamba hai point. Okay, once again, I'm giving you fourth point. This expense is incurred for an asset, comma, okay, okay, that is the third point. Okay, fine. Fourth, that means fourth, अब fourth दे रही हूँ. I'll give you the fourth one. Yes. Write down the fourth. This expense is always shown on the asset side of balance sheet. On the asset side of balance sheet. Okay, take down Nelson once again. This expense, welcome, this expense is shown on the asset side of balance sheet. Fine. So now let us see. I have given the characteristic. पहली characteristics मैंने बताई, which is if it is a purchase of asset, it is a capital expenditure. Second, long term benefit. अगर वो asset long term benefit दे रहा है, it is a capital asset. Third, it is non-recurring in nature. It is non-recurring in nature. And then उसके बाद जो दिया आपने कंबाइन कर दिया है, फोर्थ पॉइंट अलग था. एवरीवन पे अटेंशन, फोर्थ पॉइंट अलग था. कौन सा था? दिस, यस मानसी करेक्ट. फोर्थ पॉइंट अलग था. कौन सा? दिस एक्सपेंस, that was point number 4. And fifth point was this expense is shown on the balance sheet asset side. Totally 5 point दिए हैं asset side. Correct. मैंने 5 points दिए हैं. Okay, very good. So सबकी बुक में 5 points चाहिए. Expenditure, capital expenditure, 5 points. Okay, great. Now I will give one small problem where we will see कैसे it is capital expense and how we are going to write the answer. Okay, take down everyone, start writing. What? 1 minute. We will write problem afterwards. पहले revenue expense कर लेते हैं. Problem बाद में ले लेंगे. So next heading, make the next heading revenue expenses. Fifth point I'm repeating. This expense is shown on the asset side of balance sheet. Asset side of balance sheet. That is fifth point. Fourth point is, once again देख लो, fourth point. वो थर्ड में कंबाइन कर दिया है. थर्ड पॉइंट आफ्टरवर्ड्स देती हूं. फोर्थ पॉइंट, पे अटेंशन. दिस एक्सपेंस is incurred for an asset, comma, in connection with an asset, or it may increase the life of the asset. It may increase the life of the asset. That is point number 4. हर बच्चा ठीक से 4. हाँ, ओके फाइन. सो सबकी बुक में मुझे यस 5 पॉइंट्स चाहिए हितेश, 5 पॉइंट्स. ओके नाउ आगे बढ़ते हैं. प्रोसीड. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. स्टार्ट राइटिंग रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. ऑल एक्सपेंसेस which are incurred to run the day-to-day business are called revenue expenses. Full stop. These are my normal business expenses. These are my normal business expenses. Full stop. They are incurred again and again. Full stop. They are always shown on the debit side of trading and profit and loss account. फाइन. नीचे लिखना है कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स of revenue expenses. One, they are normal day-to-day business expenses. Second, point number 2, they are recurring in nature. Recurring in nature. Three, they give short-term benefit. Four, they are shown on the debit side of trading and profit and loss account. Example, salaries paid, comma, audit fees, comma, wages paid, etc. ओके फाइन. नाउ दोनों टाइप के एक्सपेंस लिख लिए. एवरीवन हैज रिटन डाउन, यस और नो मुझे बता दो. सब पॉइंट्स लिखे. हैज एवरीवन? गुड. फाइन फाइन, वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड एंड कंपेयर बोथ ऑफ देम. अब कंपैरिजन करेंगे. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. नाउ पे अटेंशन. अगर कोई एक्सपेंस है, अगर मैं पूछूंगी आपको, वेरी गुड, फाइन फाइन, ओके ओके, कि ये एक्सपेंस कैपिटल है या रेवेन्यू, तो आप मुझे फटाफट बता सकते हो, क्योंकि नाउ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. नाउ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड कौन सा कैपिटल होगा, कौन सा रेवेन्यू. सो एवरीवन पे अटेंशन. इन दिस चैप्टर अगर मैं पूछूंगी सैलरीज पे, सो इमीडिएटली आप कहोगे इट इज रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंस. रेवेन्यू, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. इफ आई से गुडविल परचेज्ड, गुडविल परचेज कौन सा है, कैपिटल. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. फिर अब शांति से सोच के बताना. पे अटेंशन एवरीवन. लीगल चार्जेस पेड, लीगल चार्जेस पेड कौन सा है? नो, रेवेन्यू, रेवेन्यू. परफेक्ट क्रिश, अनिश, राइट. लीगल चार्जेस पेड, रेवेन्यू. एक्सलेंट. आगे पे अटेंशन. सेल्स प्रमोशन एक्सपेंसेस, सेल्स प्रमोशन एक्सपेंसेस, रेवेन्यू, रेवेन्यू. गुड गुड. ओके, नाउ स्टॉप राइटिंग. सिर्फ ध्यान दो. स्टॉप राइटिंग. मुझे किसी का आंसर नहीं चाहिए. फर्स्ट पे अटेंशन. आई वॉन्ट एवरीवन टू लिसन. अभी टाइपिंग बंद. ओके, लिसन नाउ. कैपिटल इज रॉन्ग. Stop writing. Now I am giving one item. Everyone pay attention. I don't want your answers. कोई भी आंसर नहीं देगा अभी. Stop writing. Stop writing. Okay, just pay attention now. Now, what is the chapter? In this chapter, next time when we meet, we will start with our problems. What is the problem? State giving reason whether the expense is capital and or revenue. रीजन देना है मुझे, ये क्यों कैपिटल है, ये क्यों रेवेन्यू है. तो आप दो रीजन देना है आपको आंसर में, क्यों आप उसे कैपिटल कहते हो. एंड दैट इज माय प्रॉब्लम इन द एग्जाम. यू हैव टू गिव द आंसर. इट इज अ कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर. व्हाई? बिकॉज करके आंसर का रीजन देना है. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन वी मीट, वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ दिस टाइप. आई विल गिव द क्वेश्चन एंड आपसे आंसर लूंगी और फिर डिक्टेट करूंगी आंसर. आंसर कैसे लिखना है, आई विल गिव यू. Everyone will write down the answer. Is that clear? And we will meet next time. So, bye for today. See you next time on Saturday. Welcome, welcome.